clear, clear, clear. Oh! Heads up!
Heads up!
Heads up!
Heads up!
Heads up!
Heads up!
Heads up! Heads up! Oh no! Oh! Heads up!
Heads
Heads
up!
up!
Heads
Heads
up!
up!
Heads
Heads
up!
up!
Heads up!
Heads up! Oh no! There goes that Kawasaki. Oh shit! Shit, Dwayne. Oh. It had a good life. It had a good life.
I mean, you just don't see something like that happen.
And the wing broke, I think.
Yeah,
The wing.
probably
One of the wings
the
folded.
line
The
wire.
wing.
You hear it
The
wind
wreckage.
up on the speed of it. Yeah.
The wreckage. Oh, the pilot. Oh my God.
He's decapitated.
There's only pilot I saw. First time die in the outseer motor airplane.
I wouldn't touch it. Leave it. I was yelling at everybody because it was coming right at me. If it had bananaed, it would have come right at me. It was crazy. I didn't see the wing break, but I heard it. I heard it snap.
Point, it did not vary. I was afraid it could come this way, but it didn't look
Were
like
you
it
holding
was
elevator at all?
I just there was nothing I could do.
Yeah.
I just pulled.
Yeah.
Boy, this is one plane I want to replace. Damn it.
I can remember this now, and like I said, he was a great guy.